Hi everyone, welcome to Edupedia World. This is Varun Ganga. Guys, in the last session we have learned an example with regarding to the case number 1 Vardha Siddhantam shortcut, which is very helpful in finding the product of two recurring numbers. And in this session, we are going to have one more example with regarding to the same shortcut, that is Vardha Siddhantam case number 1 shortcut. Now let us see what that example is going to be. The example that I am taking in this session is 22,222 into 55,555. So guys, before going to use this Vardha Siddhantam case number 1 shortcut, at first we have to find three important key things. The first key thing what we are going to find out here is Cn, which is called as compounding number, and it is found out by multiplying the digits that are recurring in the example. So here the digits that are recurring are 2 and 5. So 2 into 5, if you do the multiplication, you will get 10 as the product. 10, it is a 2-digit number, so we have to add up the digits. So 1 plus 0, you will get 1 as a sum, and therefore Cn is equals to 1. Now the next key term what we are going to find out here is Dn. Dn, it is a diminishing number and it is got up by multiplying the Cn with the number of digits that are recurring either in the multiplicand or in the multiplier. So here we have got Cn as 1 and the number of digits that are recurring here in the multiplicand or in the multiplier are 5. So therefore 1 into 5 we will get 5 as the product. So therefore Dn what we have got here is 5. And the last thing what we are going to find out is we are going to find out how many number of digits are going to be in our answer, and it is found out by adding the number of digits that are recurring in the multiplicand and the multiplier. Since here two fives are recurring and five fives are recurring, by adding up them we will get 10 as a sum, and therefore we can say that the number of digits that are going to be in the answer is 10. Now let us see how we are going to compute this example by using Vardha Siddhantam case number 1 shortcut, and the process goes like this. Now if you see carefully about the process, the step number 1 says that we have to multiply the first digits of the multiplicand and the multiplier, that is 2 and 5. If you multiply 2 into 5, you will get 10 as the answer. Since 10 it is a 2-digit number, so we have to ignore 1, that is the digit in tens place, and we have to take 0, that the digit that is in ones place, and we have to write it in the answer as the first digit from the right side. Moving further to step number 2. In step number 2, we have added the Cn with the first digit what we have got in the answer. So 1 plus 0, you will get again 1 as a sum. Now we have to write this one in the second place of the answer from the right side. Now moving further, we have to add up the Cn with the second digit of the answer what we have got. So 1 plus 1, you will get 2 as the answer, and we have to write this 2 in the third place from the right side of the answer. Moving further again, in step number 4, we have added Cn with the third digit what we have got in the answer. So 1 plus 2, you will get 3 as the sum. We have to write this 3 in the fourth place from the right side of the answer. Moving further to step number 5, what we are going to do here is we are going to add up Cn with the fourth digit what we have got in the answer. So 1 plus 3, if you do, you will get 4 as the sum, and we have to write this 4 in the fifth place from the right side of the answer. Now we are going to stop this process, since you know that we are going to have 10 digits in our answer. So already we have got 5 of our digits, and therefore now I am going to stop this process, and I am going to deduct all these digits what we have got in the answer from that many DNs, and the process goes like this. I am going to write the DNs like this, and below it I am going to write the digits that I have got in the answer. Now by deducting, that is 5 minus 0, I will get 5, 5 minus 1 4, 5 minus 2 3, and 5 minus 3 2, and 5 minus 4 1. Now therefore by clubbing both these two answers, that is 1 2 3 4 5 with 4 3 2 1 0, I am going to get the final result for the product of 22,222 into 55,555, and therefore we can say that the product of 22,222 into 55,555 is equals to 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1 0, that is 1,234,543,210. So guys, this is the way how we can use Vardha Siddhantam Chudamani Sutram of case number 1 shortcut in order to find the product of two recurring numbers which are having same number of digits. I think you have understood pretty well how to use this Vardha Siddhantam case number 1 shortcut. So guys, in the next session, we are going to have one more example regarding with the same shortcut. Now for watching this video, thank you, have a nice day.